The more you carry around a pocket knife, the more uses you'll find for it. Everything from opening delivery boxes to fishing little objects out from between floorboards can be accomplished without having to search around for a specific tool. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best pocket knives that are available on the market today.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, CRKT Drifter. The CRKT Drifter shares the two basic characteristics of most of the knives we tested. The blade is about 3 inches long, and you can open and close it with one hand. On paper, the Drifter offers nothing unique, but it excels at all of the small elements that make for a successful knife. The most impressive of these is the smoothness of the blade's pivoting action, which is among the nicest we tested and on a par with that of knives costing 4 times as much. The Drifter's handle is contoured to fit both big and small hands, and it has a light texturing that improves the grip. This model has excellent fit and finish, and it doesn't have a cheap plastic feel like many of the knives in its price range, usually costing under $30. It's a bargain. At number 4, Benchmade Mini Griptilian 556. If you have a larger budget and want a knife that nails all of the little details, we recommend the Benchmade Mini Griptilian 556. Compared with our other picks, it's simply a better knife, better pivot, better blade steel, better ergonomics, and better locking system. Because of the lock and the reversible pocket clip, this model is a fully ambidextrous knife. We believe that most people will be more than satisfied with the CRKT Drifter, but if you take good care of your knives and want one with premium touches, the Mini Griptilian is a great investment. At number 3, Buck Knives 55. We also tested 2 traditional knives, and if you prefer a more classic look and style, we recommend the Buck Knives 55. Its design has an unquestionably age-old feel, but that comes at the expense of more modern touches such as a pocket clip, a one-handed open and close, and a textured handle. Still, the Buck Knives 55 has a very sturdy body and nice overall construction, which is evident in how the lock snaps open and closed. To us, the biggest drawback is that you need 2 hands to open and close this blade, but if you're okay with that, this Buck model is a fine choice. At number 2, Spyderco Delica 4FRN Flat Ground. The Delica has been a staple in the Spyderco lineup for more than 30 years, and the 4th generation includes styles with different blade steels, edges, and shapes, as well as different handles. The standard model features a sharp VG10 blade that excelled in our tests at slicing due to its fully flat ground design, and it ripped through materials, particularly our rope, without hesitation. Deploying the blade is simple thanks to Spyderco's hallmark circular thumb hole, measuring a generous 13 mm. The fiberglass reinforced nylon handle has textured molding for better traction, a finger guard, and subtle finger grooves. Add in the jimping notches on the blade's spine, and you won't ever have to worry about slip with your grip. Lastly, the handle's stiff belt clip is reversible, a perk for lefties, and can be reinstalled for tip-down carry if that's your thing. Finally, at number 1, Opinel No. 8 Carbon Steel. The Opinel has remained virtually unchanged for decades thanks to its low cost, effectiveness, and lightweight. You can buy it with a stainless steel blade, but the incredible affordability of the carbon model is a no-brainer. The No. 8 delivers one of the best cuts when slicing apples, and its sharp tip makes quick work of zip ties and it punctured packaging easily. Although there is no belt clip, the collar lock affords peace of mind when the knife is in your pocket. There's absolutely no chance of the 3.3 inches blade will deploy accidentally. Plus, it keeps the blade open when additional rigidity is needed. However, it does take some effort to rotate the collar and lift the blade with the nail nick, which makes deploying this knife slower than all the others.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.